Bonsoir les étudiants. Nous allons parler de la prononciation et des liaisons. In French, the final sound of a word sometimes links with the first letter of the following word. Consonants at the end of French words are generally silent, but are usually pronounced when the word that follows begins with a vowel sound. This linking of sounds is called a liaison. Lesson goals to show examples of cases when the liaison should occur and also cases when it should never occur. La liaison avec T. Generally, the letter T is silent at the end of French words. Par exemple, comment, tout, quand, parle, et. Notice this one ends with a D, but you will see that when we do the liaison, the D sound will turn into a T sound. This is actually silent in this case, quand. So let's look at some examples. Comment, the T is silent, but when the following word begins with a vowel, an A, for example, then we pronounce that T. Comment allez-vous? Tout à tout à l'heure. Quand est-ce que tu arrives? Notice the T sound here. Quand est-ce que tu arrives? Also, tout à fait. Parle. Parle-t-il français? Et il est architecte. The letters S or X. Same thing. Generally, they are silent, or if they are not, the letter X will have an S sound. But when they're followed by a vowel or a vowel sound, we do the liaison to make a Z sound. 3, vous, 10, les, tuer. Now, notice the difference. 3 heures. Vous habitez. Il a 10 animaux. Les arts. Tu es intelligent. So that's what we call the liaison sound. Maintenant. Une seconde. When do we always make a liaison? Between a subject pronoun and a verb. Vous avez, ils arrivent. Vous avez un stylo, ils arrivent demain. Between an article and a noun. Un appartement. Usually this un has a nasal sound, but when we connect it to this A, we actually do pronounce the N. Un appartement. Des ordinateurs. Never make a liaison in these cases. After a proper name. Robert. Robert est français. So we wouldn't say Robert est français. Robert est français. With the word et, meaning and, je suis français et américain. Not est américain, et américain. A singular noun and an adjective that follows it. Voici Hélène et Anne. Between a and a number when telling time. Il est 11 heures. Not il est 11 heures, but il est 11 heures. Il est 1 heure. And again, here are some more examples of a singular noun followed by an adjective that begins with a vowel. Un cours intéressant. Un moment agréable. Un appartement élégant. Et voilà. Merci. Au revoir.